Good morning. This is a quick video on how to take a Bentley GT Kessy unit out from the footwell. On left-hand drive cars, this is under the driver footwell carpet. On right-hand drive cars, this is under the passenger footwell carpet. As you can see, it's a 2004 Bentley GT. This applies to most W12 Bentleys. So this might seem daunting, but the first thing you do is remove the seat. It's three M12 12-point bolts at the back of the seat, and it's two 16mm nuts at the front of the seat. Then when they're out, you can undo this, and this moves it back like this. Okay, you keep the battery connected for this, and you move the seat forward and backwards to get at the bolts at the back and the nuts at the front. And then I'm storing all the bolts in the glove box. The next trick is this: the bonnet release handle. The trick with this is you get a good a trim tool, and this is how the handle goes there. You take this will be at the back, so you move this in at the back, and you undo this clip holding it in. So like this is at the back, and you undo the clip, and it'll come out. There's no resistance on it. It pulls out at the back like this, and then what you do is you just pull that way. It's a nice heavy handle, good quality to it. You pull it towards the center console and it will pop out. As I said, store all the parts. You've got 3 bolts, 3 M12 bolts at the back of the seat and 2 at the front. The next trick is this bit, which is a clip behind here to hold this kick panel down. Okay, we're not removing the whole kick panel, we're just removing the front of it. And mind you don't damage the door trim when you're doing this. This has been hacked around by people getting in and out with stilettos, I think. So this is held by T. Bear with me, I'll tell you in a second. Put the glasses on so I can read what size this is. Small ratchet. This is a T20 Torx. So T20 Torx holds down this clip and goes there, and the clip has to go this way, or it's going back in again, because it holds in this panel here. Okay, so we're not removing this whole panel, we just removed, the damage was already done. This wasn't me. We're just removing it out the way slightly, again storing all the parts in here, and then you can pull the carpet down from behind the glove box or the driver pedals if it's left-hand drive, and then you can pull the carpet back and up, and you'll see the Kessy unit in here. So just go on a bit further to the camera. So there's the Kessy unit, and luckily it's all nice and dry, which is unusual for these because they're usually water damaged. So this is coming out because it has the usual battery drain issues, and there's 2 transistors and 4 or 5 resistors that need to be changed in it to solve the battery drain issues. Thanks.